Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 in QuickBooks Online. First, ensure all your contractor payments are accurately categorized. You'll need to identify which contractors require a Form 1099 NEC, typically those paid over $600 for services. Verifying their tax identification numbers and addresses in QuickBooks is a crucial initial step. This preparation saves significant time and prevents errors later in the process, making your filing smooth and compliant. To prepare your contractor data, begin by navigating to the Vendors section within QuickBooks Online. Here, you'll meticulously review each contractor's profile to ensure all necessary information, such as their name, address, and tax identification number, is complete and accurate. Confirm that the total payments to each contractor meet or exceed the $600 threshold for Form 1099 NEC. Any missing or incorrect details should be updated immediately to avoid delays. Now, let's generate those 1099s. In QuickBooks Online, locate and select the Prepare 1099s feature. You'll be guided through an intuitive interview process, prompting you to confirm your company information and select the appropriate payment accounts that contain contractor expenses. It's vital to carefully review the generated Form 1099 NEC drafts for each contractor. Double-check all amounts and personal details before moving forward to ensure everything is perfect. Finally, it's time to file and distribute your Form 1099s. QuickBooks Online offers the convenience of e-filing directly with the IRS, which is often the quickest method. Alternatively, you can print and mail physical copies to your contractors. Remember, all copies must be distributed to your contractors by January 31st. Always retain accurate records of all filed Form 1099s for your business, ensuring compliance and easy reference for future needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.